IB Physics Theme D, electric field questions. Two parallel plates have voltage across them. Most students see the diagram and skip the questions, but one formula fixes everything. Two parallel plates, one positive and one negative. This one on my left is positive, and the one on my right is the negative. Now, a voltage V is applied across them. The voltage will always flow from the positive to the negative. All right. And a distance D is the distance between the plates. So from these points to this point is the distance between both plates. We use D as the distance. Now you must remember that the electric field strength between the plates is uniform. So every point between them has the same field strength. The formula we use for such a question is E equal to V over D. So the E stands for the electric field strength, which is in volts per meters. The V is the potential difference, which is in volts, and the D is the plate separation, which is in meters. Let's look at a question. So here is a question. It says two parallel plates are separated by 0.04 meters. So it means that our distance D is 0.04 meters. It says a potential difference of 200 volts. So our voltage is 200 volts is applied across them. Calculate the electric field strength. So we're asked to find the electric field strength. Now remember, we apply the formula, which is the E, electric field strength, equal to the voltage across the plates over the plates separation. So next we log in the values. Our volt is 200 divided by our distance, or the plate separation, is 0.04. So therefore 200 divided by 0.04 will give us 5,000. And again, you must put a unit, which is volts per meters. That is the electric field strength. And it is always from positive to negative plates. Now, IB physics, we always ask for direction. So do not forget to state it. Two things that IB always tests on this topic is one, direction of the field. Now remember, it's always from positive plates to negative plates. Two, the field is uniform. It means that the field lines are equally spaced and parallel. So if they ask you to sketch, always draw a straight, evenly spaced horizontal arrows. I am Basic 2 Tech. Follow for more.